In times of war, natural disasters, or emergencies, keeping a business running is tough. Physical offices may close, travel might be unsafe, or resources could shrink. Hiring the best remote workers from India, starting at just under $5 per hour, offers a smart solution. Indian virtual employees bring skills, dedication, and flexibility to help your business stay strong during any crisis. First, remote workers from India ensure your business keeps going, even when offices are shut or unsafe. They work from home or anywhere with an internet connection, so disruptions like war or floods won't stop them. By hiring from India, you tap into a global talent pool, spreading your workforce across different locations. This means if one area faces trouble, others can keep operations running smoothly. Second, Indian remote workers offer flexibility. In emergencies, businesses need to adapt fast, maybe scaling up for extra demand or scaling down to save costs. With virtual employees, you can quickly adjust team sizes without the hassle of moving staff or hiring locally. India's large pool of skilled professionals, from IT experts to customer service reps, makes scaling easy and fast. Third, hiring remotely keeps your team safe and boosts morale. During crises, forcing employees to work in risky areas can lower their spirits and productivity. Indian remote workers stay safe at home, working from secure locations. This keeps them motivated and loyal, helping your business maintain quality work even in tough times. Plus, Indian remote workers save money. You don't need to pay for office space, utilities, or travel costs. At under $5 per hour, these skilled professionals are budget-friendly, letting you redirect funds to critical areas like securing supply chains or upgrading cybersecurity. To make it work, invest in tools like secure video calls, project management apps, and clear emergency plans. Train your Indian team to use these tools and follow protocols for seamless operations. In short, hiring India's best remote workers ensures your business stays resilient. They offer continuity, flexibility, safety, and cost savings, helping you navigate any crisis successfully.